Okay, here we go. Dad got it for me, and he said, just play it for a little bit. So yeah. Oh, Sonic. Yeah, and I can't do anything when these are in the center. If I do this or this. Oh, come on. Very cool, huh? So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.